most people miss this story. The media buried it. Because if they actually ran with it, people might start asking dangerous questions. Like, why does Britain even have a government anymore? Because it turns out that if you're an Albanian drug lord and you get convicted of running a massive cannabis operation, the courts will still find a way to let you stay. Because apparently, deporting you would be cruel and unjust. So let's break this down. Meet Johnny Leka. Johnny Leka. Who knows? An Albanian national convicted of running a cannabis factory in the UK. Now, in any normal country, this should be pretty simple, this case, right? You commit the crime, you serve your time, then you get deported. Back you go. But this is Britain, and not any old Britain, Britain 2025. So of course, instead of kicking him out, the courts decide that Leka gets to stay in the country indefinitely. Because, and you're going to love this, deporting him would deprive his young daughter of a male role model. Ah yes, because nothing screams positive father figure like an Albanian drug lord. You see, the courts have suddenly decided that having a father is really important to a child's development. Unless, of course, you're a British father who gets completely screwed over by the family court system on a daily basis. You see, if you're a law-abiding British dad who loses his job, the government won't hesitate to let your home get repossessed and your family thrown out onto the street. But if you're a poor old little Albanian drug trafficker, the system will bend over backwards to keep you here, because apparently we couldn't possibly break up a loving family. Serious question. How many British fathers fighting to see their own kids in court right now wish they were an Albanian gangster as well? Because then the system might actually give a damn about them. And you just know that if a British dad tried this argument in a custody case, the judge will probably laugh in his face. Your Honour, I demand the right to see my child. I'm an essential male role model. Have you tried running a multi-million-pound drug empire? Then maybe we can talk. The real question is, how the hell did we get here? Why is this British legal system bending over backwards to protect foreign criminals while making zero effort to protect British families? Is this what the courts were supposed to do? Because I could have sworn their job was to uphold justice and public safety, not act as a human shield for criminals trying to dodge deportation. This isn't just one case. This is a pattern. Foreign criminals, drug traffickers, rapists, murderers are allowed to stay in the UK on human rights grounds. Human rights grounds. While actual British citizens are told to shut up and pay their ever-increasing taxes. Because someone's got to fund the next legal battle to keep an Albanian gang leader in the country, don't they? Ah, yes, the wonders of progress. This is what they mean when they say diversity is our strength. It just so happens that the diversity comes with an industrial scale drug operation. So what do you think? Should foreign criminals be deported immediately? Or do you think the UK needs more drug lords raising kids? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, hit that like button like it's the last shred of British sovereignty. Because if we keep going like this, pretty soon, that's going to disappear too. Oh wait, it already has. If you value what I do, I want to keep this channel going, consider supporting me on all the platforms. Who knows, maybe I'll even start a legal fund for all the British fathers who don't get the same privileges as Albanian gangsters. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.